A military spokeswoman said that 219 prisoners escaped from a Ugandan jail with at least 15 AK-47 rifles, 20 magazines and other ammunition. Reportedly, some of them stripped half naked to avoid being identified as prisoners. They have had a whole night to disperse and hide. It complicates our efforts, but we shall get them, the spokeswoman further said. 2. The Austrian government has said that its people don't live in the forest after US President Donald Trump said that people in the country live within forest cities which never catch fire. As Austrians, we normally take such cliches about our country in our stride. However, the gravity of current events make Trump's words much more worrying, Minister Elizabeth Kostinger has said. 3. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has said, China claims approximately 90,000 square kilometers of our territory in eastern sector of India-China boundary in Arunachal Pradesh. China in last many decades undertook significant infrastructure construction activity to enhance their deployment capabilities in border areas. Our government too has stepped up budget for border infrastructure development, he added. 4. You can now drive a new car every month as REF provides the option to subscribe to your favorite car for 1 to 36 months with $0 down payment, $0 road tax and without the hassle of maintenance and service. The car will be sanitized and delivered to your doorstep, ensuring complete safety for you and your loved ones. 5. Amazon on Thursday announced electric automaker Rivian and JB Straubel-led recycling startup Redwood Materials as its first recipients of the $2 billion Climate Pledge Fund. In June, the company had said it would invest in sustainable technologies to reach its goal of net zero carbon by 2040. Other recipients of the fund include Carbon Cure Technologies, Pachama and Turntide Technologies. 6. The World Health Organization said that more than 170 countries had joined its global COVAX plan designed to ensure equitable access to COVID-19 vaccines. These countries have gained guaranteed access to the world's largest portfolio of vaccine candidates, it added. The plan aims to procure and deliver 2 billion doses of approved vaccines by the end of 2021. 7. The toxins secreted by the Gympie stinging tree found in Australia are similar to the venom found in spiders and scorpions, researchers at the University of Queensland said. The tree is covered in needle-like appendages called trichomes that look like fine hairs but act like hypodermic needles that inject toxins when they make contact with skin, Associate Professor Witter said. 8. Digital payments company Paytm's main app has been removed from the Google Play Store on Friday, and the reasons for the app's disappearance are not known yet. Paytm's other apps such as Paytm for Business, Paytm Mall and Paytm Money still appear on the Play Store. Several users took to Twitter to ask why the app was taken down. 9. All the world's governments have failed to meet any of the 2080 biodiversity targets by its deadline in 2020, a UN report said. It claims that 6 of the 20 targets that were agreed in 2010 have been partially achieved so far. It also states that $500 billion of government subsidies that are damaging the environment haven't been eliminated. Last but not the least is Saudi Arabia has announced the discovery of 1.2 lakh-year-old footprints of humans, elephants and predators around an ancient dry lake on the outskirts of Tabuk region. The archaeological discovery is the first scientific evidence of the oldest habitation in the Arabian Peninsula, Saudi Arabia's Heritage Commission said. Around 233 fossils of elephants and oryx bone remains were found.